Integrating Klaviyo with WordPress is a simple process that allows you to capture leads, automate email campaigns, and improve your email marketing efforts. Here's how to do it. Install the Klaviyo plugin. In your WordPress admin panel, navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for the Klaviyo plugin and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Connect your Klaviyo account. After activating the plugin, go to Settings, Klaviyo. You'll be asked to enter your Klaviyo API key. To find this, log into your Klaviyo account, navigate to Account, API Keys, and copy your private API key. Paste this key into the plugin settings on your WordPress site. Configure the integration. Set up the plugin to automatically sync your WordPress forms with Klaviyo. This will enable the collection of email addresses for your email campaigns. You can also customize which lists or segments in Klaviyo your new subscribers will be added to. Use Klaviyo Forms. You can embed Klaviyo forms or pop-ups on your WordPress site to capture leads, promoting your newsletter or product offers.